Ask Photos is here, and it's about to change the way you search your Google Photos library. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tech tips and app reviews. And today is a very exciting day. I just got access to the all-new Google Photos AI search, Ask Photos. Let's dive in. Google Photos AI search is a whole new way to search your photos. Ask Photos takes Google Photos to the next level with the help of Gemini models, allowing you to search your photos and videos by asking questions. It's now easier than ever to find a specific memory or recall information from your photo gallery. So here's how Ask Photos works. Ask Photos lives in the bottom right bottom menu bar in the app. This has replaced the search tab that you might be used to. To use, you're going to simply tap on Ask in the bottom right of your app. If this is your first time using it, you're going to be asked if you want to try it now or switch back to the classic search. We're going to select Try Now and then review how Photos uses Gemini to keep your data private. Once you've read all of that great information, you can tap on Got It. You should first have a welcome screen where you're greeted, if you will, and you can edit this if for some reason it hasn't pulled up you correctly. I also don't know why it's picked this horrible old pic of me out of the thousands of pics I have, but okay, Google Photos, you did me dirty. Anyway, tap on Continue to name people so you can search for them better. Now, at this point, it's going to run through all the familiar faces in your photos, basically the people that seem to be there the most, and then ask you who these people are to you. So you're going to want to give the relationship details here for context. You can skip all in the top right, but I would recommend providing as much context as possible so your AI searches can actually work. And this works with your pets too, by the way, which, how fun is that? So take as much time as you need here and be detailed. Once you've assigned names and your relationship to certain people and pets, now it's time to ask Photos. Of course, this is still learning, so it's going to warn you on your first go that it may not be perfect, but you'll be fed some sample prompts like what are some of my best moments from 2024, or even write a funny poem about me. But let's ask it something a little more challenging. Let's ask in a natural way, show me the best photos from each Hawaiian island I've visited. It's going to think about it, and then just like that, Ask Photos has pulled up what I need without me endlessly searching for it. So for me, it says it's tough to choose the best photos, but here are some highlights. It's then provided me with corresponding write-up for each photo as well. So on Maui, it's pulled up who we went with, which this is accurate, by the way. It's got the correct info of what we did in Oahu and Kauai. And then it classifies another island, but mentions our Jurassic Park adventure and Kualoa Ranch on Oahu. So scrolling down, here we go. This is the first pic with everyone it correctly depicted. The second pic was indeed our hike of Diamond Head. The third pic is Spouting Horn Park, and the fourth pic is Jurassic Park Adventure. So this is pretty awesome. We can even tap on View More to pull up even more memories. So here it's simply pulled up my Hawaii albums as well. This was literally my first search ever using Ask Photos, and I'm pretty impressed. This works by pulling location info and a lot of information within the photo itself. So contextual information within the image itself, as well as any text associated with that image. There's a lot happening here because it's doing this not just for individual photos, but throughout all photos and videos within your photos gallery. And you can even ask follow-up questions if needed. So maybe I want to narrow this down further and say, show me the best selfies from Maui, Kauai, and Oahu. And here are the pics that stood out. There's Kauai, there's some from Oahu, and there are a couple from Maui, though this last one is not a selfie. Not bad still. I tried another AI search example. I asked what type of food we ate in Italy in 2017. And then as a follow-up question, I asked what the name of the restaurant was where we ate cacio e pepe in Rome. And even though it wasn't confident in its answer, it indeed pulled up the exact picture and the name of the restaurant I was thinking of, Roma Sparita. Chef's kiss. So use your imagination here to search for things in a more natural way. You could literally ask something like, when was the last time I was at an airport? Or where was the last place we stayed in California? Really anything you can think of. So maybe I want videos of Bella and I singing, and boom, just like that, it's pulled up a video of us singing at the Eras tour. And even though it didn't seem to think it nailed the assignment, it did, and even gave me the time frame of March. And here I can tap on view more, and there's a bunch of me and Bella living our best lives. You could even get more specific, so what was the theme of Bella's birthday? And while it struggled here a bit, saying it was a 16th birthday when really it was a 17th, it did pull out a bit of a Western theme, even though this was a Taylor Swift Eras theme. Before the Eras tour was even a thing, by the way. We were literally years in the future, but I digress. It still did fairly well for a first go at this. It did really well when I asked when the last time my mom and I went for a hike was. This was indeed the last time we went for a hike, and it pulled out some great contextual information from the images. So as this is learning, you may have more or less success with Ask Photos, just purely depending on the information you're providing it and the context you've given it with the relationship to the people you have in your life. And yes, you can go back to a regular old boring search, classic search, at any time. After you tap on Ask in the bottom right, you'll tap on Switch to Classic Search. And if you don't see Ask Photos yet, it is slowly rolling out now for what seems to be those of us that had joined the waitlist. And don't worry, lucky you, I have a link to join the waitlist right in the description below. The good news is that Ask Photos is not device specific. So since we're talking about the Google Photos service, this works across Android and iOS devices. Ask Photos is available in the US to start, but hopefully coming to a device near you soon. And just to be a little extra, I've added a link to Google Labs in the description below as well, so that you can join the waitlist or you can check out all of the other Google AI products. So now I want to hear from you. Do you have access to Ask Photos yet? Has it changed the way you search your Google Photos? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel and here for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.